AST SpaceMobile has chosen Luxembourg as the headquarters for its joint venture company, SatCo, which was formed in association with Vodafone Group. The strategic location in Western Europe, bordering Belgium, France, and Germany, makes Luxembourg an ideal hub for trade and finance, facilitating extensive cross-border economic activity and easy access to major European markets. Luxembourg's strong digital credentials also make it a suitable spot for launching SatCo's wholesale direct-to-device, mobile broadband satellite services to leading European mobile network operators. The joint venture aims to provide a secure and resilient digital communications infrastructure, eliminating dead zones and empowering remote areas with space-based connectivity. SatCo services are expected to commence in 2026 and have already generated expressions of interest from network operators in 21 EU member states and other European markets. The company plans to deploy a small network of Earth stations that seamlessly integrate with terrestrial network operators, providing secure backhaul links and extended coverage across Europe. AST SpaceMobile's technology boasts a diverse portfolio of over 3,650 patent and patent-pending claims worldwide for the direct-to-cell satellite ecosystem. Its SpaceMobile service is compatible with all major brands and connects directly to everyday mobile phones, providing broadband connectivity from space to unmodified mobile devices. The company's in-orbit BlueWalker 3 satellite has demonstrated its mission of creating a space-based cellular broadband network that directly links with mobile devices. The partnership with Vodafone and the establishment of SatCo in Luxembourg supports European digital sovereignty by creating a unified platform to deliver satellite connectivity across the continent. The joint venture has garnered support from the Luxembourg government, key European policymakers, EU member states, and industry stakeholders. With commercial services expected to begin in 2026, SatCo aims to position Europe at the forefront of direct-to-mobile space-based broadband connectivity. AST has also partnered with leading U.S. carriers such as AT&T and Verizon, with whom it has entered into definitive commercial agreements to offer space-based direct-to-mobile technology. However, the company faces challenges due to unfavorable macroeconomic conditions, including rising inflation and higher interest rates, which have negatively impacted its financial performance. Despite these challenges, AST SpaceMobile remains committed to its expansion plans and is working towards delivering secure and resilient cellular broadband infrastructure to serve connectivity needs. On the technical side, AST showcased a groundbreaking non-terrestrial network, NTN, communication field demonstration, highlighting its role in enhancing global connectivity, as well as successfully demonstrating the world's first non-terrestrial network, NTN, tactical satellite communications, delivering high-throughput data, voice, and video using unmodified mobile devices. This achievement was made possible through a collaboration with Fairwinds Technologies, a trusted partner providing program integration and military tactical network support. The field test showcased key defense-related use cases, including real-time connectivity to the Tactical Assault Kit, TK, over a VPN, multimedia streaming via TK, and secure multi-party video calls, all executed on standard, unmodified smartphones. The demonstration was conducted near AST SpaceMobile's Gateway facility on Oahu, Hawaii, with active participation from U.S. Indo-Pacific Command, USINDOPACOM, including representation from the U.S. Navy, Marine Corps, Army, U.S. Space Command, and the Office of the Undersecretary of Defense for Research and Engineering, OUSDRNE, Future G Team. This effort follows the recent award by the Defense Innovation Unit, DIU, to the Fairwinds/AST SpaceMobile team under the Hybrid Space Architecture 2 initiative. The project aims to evaluate the viability of space-based direct-to-device communications for resilient, secure tactical networks in denied or austere environments. According to Chris Ivory, Chief Commercial and Government Business Officer at AST SpaceMobile, this demonstration represents a significant leap forward in advancing resilient, secure communications capabilities for the U.S. defense community. Timothy Hillner, Chief Technology Officer and co-founder of Fairwinds Technologies, added that this is just the beginning, and they are honored to collaborate with AST SpaceMobile and the Defense Innovation Unit to deliver next-generation communications at the tactical edge. This demonstration is the first in a series of planned prototype demonstrations to evaluate space-based mobile broadband for defense applications. Additional testing, including over open ocean environments, is planned in the coming months as the team continues to push the boundaries of multi-domain, space-based tactical communications. The successful demonstration of NTN tactical satellite communications highlights the potential of AST SpaceMobile's technology to enhance global connectivity and support national security objectives. Then, on the financial front, AST filed a substantial follow-on equity offering of approximately $503 million, which may provide the company with the necessary funds to further its growth initiatives. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.